To add Zksync on Metamask wallet, start by opening your Metamask wallet and clicking on the Add Network button. This will redirect you to the network settings where you can manually add a new network. In the network settings, you will be required to fill in the details of the network you want to add. For Zksync, the network name is Zksync. The RPC URL is https rpc.zksync.io. The chain ID is 324. The currency symbol is ETH. And the block explorer URL is https explorer.zksync.io. After filling in the details, click on the Save button to save the changes. Once you have added the Zksync network, you will be able to see it in your list of available networks. To switch to the Zksync network, simply click on the Network drop-down menu and select Zksync. Your wallet is now set up to interact with the Zksync network, allowing you to send and receive assets on the network. It is essential to note that Zksync is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, which means it is designed to improve the scalability and usability of the Ethereum network. By adding Zksync to your Metamask wallet, you can take advantage of faster transaction times and lower fees. In conclusion, adding Zksync to your Metamask wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the instructions outlined above, you can easily set up your wallet to work with the Zksync network and start enjoying the benefits it has to offer.